Hi, this is John Hollabaugh. In this video, I want to talk about Raspberry Pi and Falcon Pi Player. But my current Falcon Pi Player doesn't have enough range, so I'm going to add one of these USB wireless adapters. And rather than reading about it, I'm going to just show you how to do it. And this happens to be a Panda Wireless Pio, P-A-U-O-6. Bought it on Amazon for $15, and it should extend my range of the Falcon Pi Player and be able to use it as a remote across the street from me. So here we go. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is to change or create a blacklist file. So we can go over here to the C shell, and let's see here, proceed. There we go. FTP, of course your password is Falcon. Here we have it, LS. Now I like to create a README file so I know what I did to the system. So if I do a cat on FPP README, we're going to create a Raspberry blacklist.configuration file .conf in the etc modprobe.d location. So change directory to /etc/modprobe.d and ls. We're going to create a Raspberry blacklist.configuration file. So that is a sudo, because this is a super user owned by super users. So sudo.nano space Raspberry blacklist.conf. Now we're going to do blacklist the Wi-Fi utilities. Blacklist dot C BRCM FMAC blacklist BRCM util. And let's write that out. Control O, Control X, and I'll do an ls, and we have our Raspberry blacklist.configuration. Let's do a cat on that. So cat Raspberry blacklist.conf. And we see that we have blacklist.brcm fmac and brcm util. Okay, we're about ready to reboot. But before we reboot, let's go over here and look at this file. Ifconfig. We see here that we have the Ethernet adapter set at 10.0.1.20 and the WLAN, the onboard WLAN set at 10.0.1.20. 6.0.0.200. So I'm going to reboot, and when I'll be right back, and we'll go from there. So reboot, sudo reboot. System's going down. Still rebooting. Oh, well, we got some errors here. It's not parsing it right. Ignoring bad lines starting with blacklist.brcmfmac and brcmutil. What did I do wrong? Okay, we'll have to figure that out. So it doesn't turn off the onboard Wi-Fi. So let's go back and take a look at that. Oh, I put a dot in there. I don't need a dot. I need a blacklist space brcmfmac and brcmutil. Okay, I'll fix that here in a second and we'll reboot. Okay, so we found the IP addresses there. One is the 10.0.1.20, the other one's 10.0.0.20, which is the 200 is the Wi-Fi. So let me go back to my computer here. Get logged in. Falcon. Change directory to /etc. ls mod probe is where we're going. So change directory to mod probe.d. Sudo nano raspi blacklist.conf. Space there. Control O to output. Control X. Sudo reboot. Okay, let's see what we got here. So we only found this 10.0.1.20, which is not on our network. So let's go over here and put in our adapter. Okay, and let's reboot. So the last time it looked like we disabled the onboard Wi-Fi. So now we'll reboot and see if it picks up this new USB wireless device. Well, it looks like I found it. There's WLAN 0, and it's looking for an IP address from I have it set up for DHCP, so it looks like it's looking for the IP address from the server. So we have them. There's 20 and 201. 10.0.1.20, which is the other, is a wire network. 10.0.0.0.201 is the wireless. And we'll prove that by going back over to my computer here. Oh, 201. 201. There it is. Perfect. We got it up and running. So again, come over here to our network. we have Ether 0 at 10.0.120. WLAN should be 0, should be DHCP. So that means we have our wireless setup on the USB port. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so I'm going to fix this video, send it out. It's John Hollabaugh. Talk to you soon.